Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Jennifer Marie, where I teach you how to make money online as a work-from-home freelancer. Today I'm excited to show you this all-in-one AI tool that you can use that has all the tools you need to create videos, including AI writing tools, text-to-speech, an AI talking photo, automatic subtitles and transcription, and even a video editor. We're going to talk about how you can quickly make viral style videos on YouTube or TikTok or Instagram to help build your audience and gain an income online. So the first thing you need to do is come up with some niche ideas for your viral videos. You can go onto YouTube and search the shorts section for some viral style videos. You could also go into ChatGPT and ask it to write a list of 20 popular niches in YouTube, for example. And now to easily create a script for your videos, you could say, I want to select number 9, fashion and style as my niche. Come up with 10 interesting video titles. Each video must contain 5 facts. For example, 5 of the worst fashion trends in the 90s. Create a markdown table and organize the video titles with facts and a separate column for hashtags. And ChatGPT has generated this for us, so we have video titles on the side, then 5 facts that we can create in our shorts video, and then hashtags that you can use as well when posting your video. You can also use DupDub's transcription tool to automatically convert an audio or video file to text, and you can rewrite this script using the AI writing tool. So just click Ask AI to Write, and then type this prompt. Rewrite this script into an engaging, friendly script for a short video. Then paste your script and press enter. So what's the point of creating these kinds of viral videos? Well, for example, in today's video, we're going to focus on the zodiac niche and astrology, which is extremely popular. And you can see that this is a little channel called Zodiac Central. Some of its most popular shorts have over 9 million views. And having popular and viral shorts will get a lot of traffic to your channel. And the more traffic you get to your channel, the more ad revenue you can make on your regular videos or with sponsors or affiliate income. This channel has under 100,000 subscribers, and I plugged their information into Social Blade, and you can see that they are making up to $6,000 a month with this channel. Here's another one, Zodiac TikToks. Again, it's quite a small channel, but they have a lot of really popular videos about the zodiac. Zodiac signs you shouldn't mess with. The smartest zodiac signs in the world. People love these kinds of videos because they want to see if their zodiac sign is going to appear, and then they'll send it to their friends to make fun of their friends as a joke. Zodiac TikToks is estimated to be making nearly $23,000 a year. And another one, Zodiac World, is estimated to be making between $5,000 and $72,000 a year. So we're going to use this all-in-one AI tool to create our video. It's called DupDub Studio, and you can create an AI voiceover, an AI avatar. You can do transcription, translation, and even AI-powered editing. The first thing we're going to do is create an AI voiceover. So just click on AI voiceover. And if you don't already have your script, you can click Ask AI to Write and ask the AI to write whatever it is you want for social media, your video script. In my case, I already have my script, which I generated with ChatGPT. For my Zodiac video, I'm going to do 5 reasons why Leo women are the best. Press Ctrl+V to paste my script. And I'm going to place each fact on a different line. And I'm going to write a title, 5 reasons why Leo women are the best. And I'm also going to put in number 1 and number each of these facts. So once you're finished, you can preview your voiceover by clicking here on the play button.
5 reasons why Leo women are the best. 1. Leo women are confident and charismatic. 2. They're natural leaders and boost morale.
And you can even click Add Pause if you want to add a short pause between sentences. You can slow down the speed or increase the speed or the pitch, and you can select a different voiceover. Let's click on More Voiceovers, and you can choose by gender if you want male or female. You can also choose by age if you want a child or an adult, and you can choose by language and accent. I'm going to choose English and then choose an American accent. And we can preview any of these voices.
5 reasons why Leo women are the best.
5 reasons why Leo women are the best.
5 reasons why Leo women are the best.
I'm really happy with the Sarah voice, but I can also adjust this style. So I could make her voice sad or angry or excited. In this case, I want it to be cheerful or friendly.
Reasons why Leo women are the best. 1. Leo women are confident and charismatic.
I'm really happy with this, so I'm ready to export the voiceover. Just click Export, and you can choose to export it as a WAV file or MP3, and click Export. Then click Generate and Export. So now this voiceover is complete. It's 24 seconds long, and we're going to create a talking photo to go along with this voiceover. So now go back to the DupDub Studio and click on AI Avatar. And here we're going to generate our own avatar using AI and create a talking photo. And that way you don't have to record yourself or even find video footage for your video. If you click on Try, you can see example prompts that they use to create these avatars. I like the looks of this avatar here, so let's scroll up and you can see the prompt was an AI avatar, a teenage girl with curly dark hair. Because we're talking about Leo women, I'm going to say an AI avatar, a young woman with long curly red hair, zodiac/lion inspired background, and then click Generate. And it will take up to 15 seconds to generate your avatar. So you can see it's created these awesome avatars. I love them. And we want to choose one where we can clearly see her eyes and her mouth. Remember, we're going to be animating this photo using the voiceover we already created. So this is a great one. This is also a really cool one because we're doing a video on these zodiac signs. You can see these lions here. So I like either this one or the previous one I showed you. For now, let's choose this one. And now we can click Upload an Audio and upload the voiceover we just created. Then click Done. And now click Generate Talking Avatar. Then click Generate. So you can see here that it is processing and you'll get a notification when it's ready to view. So once it's ready, just click on it to preview it.
5 reasons why Leo women are the best. 1. Leo women are confident and charismatic. 2. They're natural leaders.
I think that looks pretty cool. So now we're ready to edit this into a shorts video. So click on Edit. And this will open up DupDub's AI-powered video editor. What's amazing about this is you can do all your video editing directly within your browser without downloading any software. So now we'll want to change the aspect ratio depending on the type of video you're creating. These kinds of videos go viral as shorts or reels. So click on the 16:9 and change it to 9:16. Now, click on the video on the track, and this will allow you to make some edits. There's a few different options here. Under transform mode, you can click on crop, and that will zoom it up so you just see her. Alternatively, let's go back to envelope. And if you scroll at the top, you'll see a button that says mask. Click on that, then choose the ellipse shape. So I'm going to create an ellipse around her, something like that, and then adjust the feather settings so it kind of blends out a little bit. It looks a little bit more majestic. Now go back to basic settings and click on the nodes to adjust the size and positioning of it. You can also click on background and select a color that kind of blends or matches the image. For this one, I'm just going to stick with black. So now we want to add captions. People are more likely to watch a video if they can read along. So click on text and then click on AI subtitles. Now select the language of the voiceover. In this case, it's English, and click convert. Then click confirm. And you can see that DupDub has automatically added subtitles across the entire video, matching what our avatar is saying. So we can make some adjustments to all of these so that they're easier to read by clicking on the caption, and we can adjust the font. We can also adjust the font size. We can adjust the font color or go to Effects and choose one of these effects as well. Let's zoom up on our timeline, click on the first text, and over here, we can adjust the positioning by pressing Enter to add a space and then make it center, for example. So you'll go through and adjust all of your subtitles so that you can see them clearly throughout the video. And you could also add some music if you want to make the video more engaging. You can go to pixabay.com and type in chill music, for example, then click download, and all of this music is royalty free. You don't even have to create an account, and you can use them on your YouTube videos. Then you'll click here on media, upload, and import whatever music track you want to add. Then just click the plus icon to add the track, and you can click and drag the track so it starts at the beginning. And then you can go to where you want to split the track and click the cut button. Then just delete the excess part and make sure it lines up with the end of your video. And then you can just move the volume down so it doesn't overpower the voiceover, and we can preview it.
5 reasons why Leo women are the best. 1.
Recommend putting it at 0.2 or 0.3. And when you're ready to export, just click export. So just click export again. And once the video finishes exporting, you'll have an awesome video like this that's ready to upload to YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, etc. Now let's watch our video.
5 reasons why Leo women are the best. 1. Leo women are confident and charismatic. 2. They're natural leaders and boost morale. 3. Leo women are fiercely loyal and protective. 4. They radiate warmth and generosity. 5. Their creativity and passion are contagious. Do you agree? Share this video with your Leo friends and family.
And just like that, we've created a fun, engaging video that will help you gain views and subscribers without having to use your own voice or face to create the video. Make sure to sign up to DupDub by clicking on my referral link in the description below, and have fun trying out all of DupDub's awesome AI tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.